Today, I've got something truly game-changing for you, the ultimate guide on how to double your income in just 30 days. Yes, you heard it right. So, buckle up and let's dive into the 10 steps that will transform your financial landscape. Step 1. Goal setting. It all starts with crystal clear goals. Define your financial objectives and break them down into achievable milestones. This sets the foundation for your journey. Step 2. Assess your skills. Identify your strengths and skills. What value can you bring to the table? By recognizing your unique talents, you'll open doors to new opportunities. Step 3. Embrace learning. Continuous learning is the key to growth. Invest time in expanding your knowledge, whether through courses, books, or networking events. Stay ahead in your industry. Step 4. Optimize your time. Time is money. Streamline your daily routine, prioritize tasks, and eliminate time wasters. Productivity is your secret weapon. Step 5. Network strategically. Build meaningful connections within your industry. Networking can open doors to collaborations, partnerships, and opportunities you never imagined. Step 6. Upgrade your skills. Identify the skills in demand in your field and upskill. Whether it's technical expertise or soft skills, continuous improvement is the path to success. Step 7. Financial savvy. Understand your finances inside out. Track your expenses, save wisely, and explore investment opportunities. Financial literacy is the bridge to wealth. Step 8. Leverage technology. Embrace technology to enhance your efficiency. From automation tools to online platforms, leverage the digital landscape to your advantage. Step 9. Negotiation mastery. Master the art of negotiation. Whether it's a salary discussion or a business deal, effective negotiation can significantly impact your income. Step 10. Take calculated risks. Last but not least, be willing to take calculated risks. Sometimes, stepping out of your comfort zone is the catalyst for substantial financial growth. Remember, it's not about working harder, but smarter. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on personal and financial growth.